If my fiancé has children, can I bring them to the US as well? Yes, if your fiancé has children, you can bring them to the United States as part of the K-1 fiancé visa process. Separate applications for each child. Once the K-1 visa is approved for your fiancé, you will be able to submit separate petitions and applications for each of their children. Family unity. The U.S. immigration system allows families to stay together, meaning children can join their parent when they come to the U.S. under a K-2 visa. Child eligibility. Children under the age of 21 and unmarried are generally eligible to accompany their parent under the K-2 visa. If you're considering sponsoring your fiancé and their children for a visa, contact us today at Ramirez Attorneys and Counselors. For over 10 years, attorney Ricardo Ramirez has helped clients just like you safely and legally bring their families into the United States. Have questions or in need of legal help? Visit our website at rramirezlaw.com today.